Welcome to our channel. If you've been locked out of your Netflix account due to too many failed login attempts or other security issues, follow these instructions to regain access to your account. Step 1. Wait for a short period, typically 15 to 30 minutes, as Netflix may temporarily lock accounts after multiple incorrect password attempts. Step 2. If you can't remember your password, open the Netflix app or go to netflix.com and click on Sign In. Step 3. Below the Sign In button, click on Forgot Password or Need Help. Step 4. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account. Step 5. Click Email Me to receive a password reset link via email, or select Text Me if you have a phone number registered with your account. Step 6. Check your email inbox or text messages for the password reset link or code. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 7. Click on the link in the email or enter the code you received via text message. Step 8. Create a new strong password for your Netflix account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 9. Confirm your new password and click Save or Reset Password. Step 10. Return to the Netflix app or website and log in with your email and new password. Step 11. If you continue to have login issues, clear your browser cache or app data and try again. Step 12. If none of these steps work, contact Netflix customer support through their Help Center for further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.